We're called neons, sinners plucked from hell to do God's dirty work. But I'm finding it hard to believe we're in heaven. Old friends, ex-lovers. Only one of us can stay in heaven, and I've got a score to settle. Should have known it was going to end this way. God's sixth sense of humor or something. People like me don't get second chances. But if I did, I swear I'd do it right. Huh? I swear I was just in the middle of something. Can't remember a thing, though. Where the heck am I? Do I know these people?
Neons, rejoice! For you've arrived in glorious heaven!
What?
We are the believers, agents of God. And you, dead mortals, are what we refer to as neons, sinners that God has judged most unfavorably.
Wait, am I meant to be in hell?
But fret not, for we have granted you an opportunity for salvation in our annual competition, the 10 Days of Judgment. During these 10 days, you neons will use your villainous talents to annihilate the demons invading our holy land.
Is this for real? Hey, guess what? You died and God thinks you suck. Go kill some crap?
You will each receive a soul card containing a weapon befitting your past.
Whoa, badass.
The most competent demon slayer will receive the ultimate reward, God's forgiveness, and your very own place in heaven. But first, some housekeeping.
What the?
You will now be known as Neon White.
Do not forget, you are here in heaven as guests. These masks contain an explosive that we won't hesitate to detonate if you step out alive. Please refrain from removing them, unless, of course, you'd prefer to go out in flames.
Yeesh. I guess lowly sinners shouldn't expect red carpet treatment. But heaven kind of seems like a racket. And yet, forgiveness is strangely compelling to me. Like every inch of my body is calling out for it. It's almost painful. Who exactly did I used to be?
Now then, go forth, catch your boat at the glass port, and kill every demon you find. We'll be counting.
All right, demons, soul cards, no sweat. Memories might be hazy, but I don't need a tutorial on how to kick ass. They are gonna do a tutorial, right? Another one down. Let's see anyone beat that. Okay, let's keep it going. It's 'cause I'm the best. Didn't even break a sweat. let's see anyone beat that. Not too shabby. Must have been a real hardcore guy.
Yo, White, bro! It's me! Yellow! It has been a minute, man.
This guy. Even with a mask on, I recognize him from earlier. I can tell I know him, but just vaguely.
Holy crap, you got the freaking anime sword? I thought for sure you'd get one of those little guns like the, what's it called, like gnomes use?
Gnomes?
Just messing. I know you're a badass.
So why the hell does an idiot like this seem to remember me perfectly?
You okay, man?
No, actually, I, seem to be missing my memories. You fill me in?
What, for real? We rode together for years, bro. Got up to some crazy stuff. You were my Sasuke, man. The darkness to my light. You know I saved your life once. Took a bullet for you, dude.
Really?
Nah, I'm just messing.
Yeah. All right.
Seriously, dude, we should team up. Just like old times. And I could save you for real from those, like, demon freaks or something.
Yeah. Appreciate the offer, but no thanks. I work alone.
I could be like, pow, and you could be like, because of the sword, you know?
Uh-huh. Sure. Good meeting you.
Don't think, feel, bro. Oh, yeah!
What's next? Another one down. And that's how it's done. They should try making some hard ones. Yeah. It's 'cause I'm the best. Is that the alt girl I saw from earlier? Hey, mind letting go of my shirt?
There was this huge demon chasing after me! Looks like I lost it. You'd protect me if it came back, though, right?
Sorry, I got a boat to catch. You're on your own, kid.
You know how I feel about being called Kid, White.
I actually don't remember. Amnesia? Side effect of dying, it seems.
Seriously? You're not alone. I've lost some memories, too. Like, I can't even remember how to use a gun, which makes this whole situation extra scary. Won't you at least show me how? Please, please, please.
I don't know. I should probably get going.
You wouldn't really abandon a cute girl like me, would you? I know you don't remember, but you were once a great teacher. Mr. White.
I was? Well, you want to bend your knees a bit. Arms extended, but not locked.
Is this good?
Yeah, but keep it steady. You should use both hands and fill any open spaces on the grip with your fingers.
Oh, there's something kinda exhilarating about this, huh, Mr. White? Cold, hard metal in my hands, that hint of danger, your hot breath on the back of my neck.
Anyway, you'll learn faster by doing.
Like this?
Holy crap. Are you sure you forgot?
Yay! That was so much fun! Thanks, White. I owe you big time.
Well, you know, it's like you said. I'm a great teacher.
It's Violet. Don't go forgetting this time. Race you to the ship!
Violet, huh? Weird girl. Shoot, I better get moving. Didn't even break a sweat. that's how it's done. I'll take it. Let's see anyone beat that. Yeah. That's how it's done. Not bad. Let's see anyone beat that. This is getting too easy.
Behind you.
Huh? Whoa.
Demon 0, Red 100. Long time no see, White.
I recognize her from before.
You're staring.
Quick, say something cool, White. That is a massive rifle.
Want a taste?
That's okay. Seriously.
Relax. I just like to see you sweat.
In that case, you should watch me wipe the floor with demons sometime.
I'll pass. I've seen a lifetime of that kind of thing. You know, this is actually the first time I've seen you here. In the competition, I mean. Makes me wonder. Do you think this will end for us the way it did in life?
See, I'd love to answer that, but I woke up with no memories of life. Not that I don't recognize you, it's just the details are fuzzy. So far, though, I feel the strongest connection to you. Damn it, White! Why would you say something so lame to a girl?
How bizarre. I've never heard of a neon with such an affliction. You're not messing with me, are you?
I have no reason to lie to you.
Is that so? Can't believe God himself decided to bless me with the thing I love most. A completely clueless boy.
This isn't fun for me, you know.
Well, it is for me. We could have been lovers in life, and you'd be none the wiser.
Were we? Lovers?
I could know every last one of your measurements.
Be serious here. We've got a long boat ride ahead. Maybe you could fill me in on the details of my character? Or even your relationship to me?
I don't know, White. Honestly, it's probably easier this way. For both of us.
What? Hey! Wait! Where are you going?
All aboard the ship to Central Heaven. Stragglers will be returned to oblivion.
Yes! Don't think I made it this far last time.
This really is my first rodeo. I'm not half bad. Is that what Red meant? That it's easier for me to focus on demon slaying without memories of past transgressions weighing me down? If that were really true, then why is it that the fire that propels me to win feels a whole lot like guilt? Heaven straight up confirmed I'm messed up. That's why I'm a neon, isn't it? Yellow, violet, and red, they're the same. Sinners who know me more than I know myself. Looks like demons aren't the only things I gotta watch out for. Not bad for a dead guy, huh? Heaven is exactly what I expected. I don't know why I'm so disappointed.
Oh, what? Wanna walk to the believer's sermon together?
Yo, bro, you made it! Kick a lot of demon ass.
Like it was nothing.
I'm telling you, bro, with our, combined powers, those demons are donezo.
White! We're gonna be late!
Oh, snap. Violet? Is that you? This is crazy. It's like the gang's all here. Kinda.
I'm sorry. Do I know you?
Are we all mutuals here?
Yeah, man. Violet was our crew's littlest badass. She's also mad freaky. Like this one time I read her diary, and she'd written this crazy fanfic about her and the bot.
Shut the hell?
Ow, 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 Violet! Cut it out!
Let's see how much you like talking without a tongue, bastard!
Uncle!
They may be freaks, but they're my freaks, supposedly.
Welcome to Central Heaven. It is an honor for your kind to bask in its beauty. But remember, this is no vacation. You are here as demon exterminators, and demon exterminators alone. Their population always spirals out of control this time of year. It's onerous work, but the possibility of redemption is well worth the effort, is it not? And on that note, we'd like to introduce last year's winner of the 10 Days of Judgment. Defending his crown is the vicious, hulking Neon Green.
What's with this guy? His presence is so intense. Why does it feel like he's staring directly at me? Why do I feel so angry?
Green's demon-slaying prowess has been unrivaled for years, but surely there exists a neon among you all who can compete?
He doesn't seem so tough.
Oh?
Oh!
Who are you?
With that, church is dismissed. Make your way to Central Heaven Authority and get your orders from the angels there.